Today, if someone wants to make money online, they first need to accept one hard truth. Online money doesn't come from luck. It comes from thinking differently and building the right daily habits. Most people believe rich people are just lucky, but the real secret is simple. Rich people are powerful because of their small daily decisions, not big overnight wins. The gap between rich and poor isn't just the bank balance, it's the decision making, and those decisions are made every single day. Online, people don't pay for products, they pay for solutions. If you can solve a problem, whether it's fixing a website or managing an ad campaign, money will find you. In 2026, making money online doesn't mean working 18 hours a day. It means working smart, not just hard. Rich people invest in skills first. Poor people invest in comfort first. That's why winners learn in their free time, while others just scroll. The highest paying online skills are simple to understand, but hard to master. They save time, they save money, they reduce stress. Think about it. Business owners don't want to edit their own videos. They don't want to write their own captions. They don't want to research ideas for hours. They want you to do it for them.
If you learn just one of these skills properly, like high-ticket sales, copywriting, or video editing, you can earn more than a 9-to-5 job. But here is where most people fail. They try to learn everything at once and end up knowing nothing. Rich people focus on one skill, and they repeat it until it becomes boring. And here's the truth. Boring is a sign you're doing it right. Boring means consistency, and consistency creates wealth. Money habits matter more than your current income. Successful people don't spend money to impress strangers. They spend money to build systems, better tools, better learning, better time management. The biggest mistake? Upgrading your lifestyle too early. The smart move? Upgrading your skills first. Online work has no boss, but without discipline, you become your own worst enemy. Rich people don't rely on motivation, they rely on routines. They show up at the same time every day, even when they don't feel like it. Another key difference is this. Rich people don't chase results, they trust the process. If the process is right, the results are inevitable. Comparison is the most dangerous trap online. Some people grow in 6 weeks, some grow in 6 months. Rich people don't watch the speed, they watch the direction.
One skill, one niche, one focus, for at least 90 days. That's the formula most people ignore because it looks too simple. Real progress is quiet. It's slow, but that's exactly how a legacy is built. Some days will feel useless. Some days will bring 0 results. But the winners are the ones who don't stop on those days. Online money rewards patience, and when it finally pays, it pays more than you ever imagined. You can create value from anywhere, your phone, your room, your car, but only if you choose learning over complaining. 2026 will belong to the people who build skills silently, while everyone else is just making noise. If you decide today to take one skill seriously, that single decision can change your life forever. Nothing changes, so if this message clicked for you, if you're serious about skills, money, and freedom, subscribe now. This channel isn't about hype, it's about direction. I'll see you in the next one.